This video is going to look at the column method for adding. First of all, start with your plus on the left hand side because that shows that it's a addition sum, and then put your line. Secondly, you put the numbers in order. So in this occasion it's 120 plus 240. So the larger number is 240. So the larger number goes on the top and the 120 goes on the bottom. Secondly, always spread out your numbers. You'll notice that all my numbers have got quite a few spaces in between them. Even if you're doing pen and paper, do this because it'll avoid congestion, as in loads of the numbers being very close together, and it will help you when you're looking back on it with your notes. And if you're doing any sort of exam situation or anything like that, you can check your workings out. So you start from the right and you go from the left. So you start basically with the zeros. So in this case, 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 1 is 3. And notice again, I've spread my answer out so that everything's lined up. And exactly the same when you come to decimals. There's no difference when you're doing decimals in addition. So I write my highest number above it, my lowest number below, and the only difference with the decimals is that I've put the decimal point in. I also, before I start adding them up, put the decimal point into the answers, because when you're doing your workings out then it's really clear where the decimal point needs to go. So I do my 2 plus 4, which is 6, then my 2 plus 4, which is 6 again, and then I've done my decimal side. I don't even need to worry about where I need to put the decimals in. 0 plus 0, 4 plus 2, and 2 plus 1. Next, we're going to look at carrying. So 129 plus 243. So again, the larger number on the top, the smaller number on the bottom. And then this occasion, my 9 plus 3 is going to be the problem, because I can't write 12 below the line. I need to basically move the 1 from the 12 over into the next column. And I'll show you that now. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 as the answer, and I'm going to move the 1 over to the next column along. And when you're doing it, again, write in different colours, because then you can see what you're doing. But also, now I can start from my 1 because it's in the column. So I can do 1 and then plus 4 and then plus 2. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7. And then there's nothing to carry over this time, so now I can do my 2 plus 1, which is 3. And then finally we're going to look at a sum that requires 2 lots of carrying. So the 9 plus 3 is going to be 12, so I'm going to have to carry there. And the 4 plus 8 is going to be above 10 as well, so I'm going to have to carry there. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Put the 2 in, carry the 1 over. And then, just like last time, you start from the top. 1 plus 8 is 9, and then 9 plus 4 is 13. Put the 3 there, carry the 1 over. Again, I've put it on the top so I can start at the top of the column. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And that's how to do addition using the column method.